Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih ke Sarkar Jela Rakkam Sangma ulaong Baroh ki skul kin haban pyndonkam daki kot kiba penbej renti ka Meghalaya Board of School Education MBOSE. Ya kene Rakkam ulaong habakren bat kinong thok khubor hagalai photerik kalalingkot. Ulaong ru baka sarkar kadang bishar bnia ki jingmontoy bat jingduna halor ka jingkerpat ka balayo na ka Catholic Schools Association CSA ban pyndonkam shua ya laki jongki kon. Hakabaya day bat kani ka jingkerpat ka CSA ulaong omday tangya ki school ki bapenyat ka CSA Henry ya menta ka academic session ka sarkar ka island. Henry naduh usnam arhajar arfusan ka sarkar kan penmi da ka hukum ka benpetha ya Baroh ki school ban pyndonkam da ki kot MBOSE. Shu menteri ulaong ru bahalor ka jingkerpat ka CSA ka sarkar ka prilat ya kino ki jingakren bat ka sarkar kan thau da ka komiti ban bishar bin pabin ya ki jai kot ban pyndonkam school. Dangshen ka sarkar kala pelaj pajba ya ki kot NCERT na ka benta ka MBOSE bat menteri ula pentip baka subjek English bat mathematics on yo nadu ubnai rempang santarik hadu shpotarik. Kat baka science NCERT Meghalaya edition on yo nadu katayo banwan.
The government has decided all schools will have to use only the MBOSE prescribed textbook which is affiliated to Meghalaya Board of School Education. However, in the recent times, we have received some the Catholic School Association to allow them to continue to use their own books. So on that purpose, I think for not only for those schools, we allow only this year to continue their own textbook. However, I come to know we have different institutions using different textbook. Like St. Anthony, they have their different textbook by the different publisher. St. Mary's have their different textbook by different publisher. Don Bosco, they're using a different textbook from the different publisher. They're also not uniform. There are many private institutions that are using their own textbook. Sometimes it is very important as a state. We should have a uniform standard curriculum, textbook at the best standard. Of course, for some other books, for supplementary, for any other books, they can use it. But for the course book, I feel the best standard textbook we must use. Therefore, we will develop our own textbook being added our local contents. This whole year we will do this exercise. I think from next academic session we will move forward. But for the petition, the government will examine the petition and we will decide accordingly what is best to take everybody on board together. The English is already in the market, and the mathematics will be available between from 5 to 10th of February 2024 in the market, and it's called some English course book for class 6, class 8 and class 7 and the class 9 will be available since 3rd of February 2024. That means from next week. I think the science NCERT Meghalaya edition will be available from 5th as a tentative date. 5th, I think from next week, all will be available in the market. Because this cabinet is already decided, government has already decided that the MBOSE prescribed textbook will be used in all the schools affiliated to Meghalaya Board of Schools. However, due to certain limitation, and many schools has already ordered books to publish last year's October, November, December. So we allow this year to continue. But however, from next academic 2025, we will make it mandatory. Having said so, however, we have received the petition from the Catholic Schools Association. Government is studying the pro and cons, the merit and demerit, and what about the best, the books that are being used. We can use for all. We are open for any kind of discussion, and we will set up the committee to study all this so that every books will be studied, will be scrutinized by the expert, and government will decide accordingly. The whole idea is the best contents, the best curriculum, the best textbook must studied by students of the state.